Hello! This story time, we are going to be reading the book, Pretend You're a Cat. So I'm going to describe an animal, and I'm not going to show you the whole picture. I want you guys to guess what animal you think it might be, and then you get to pretend to be that animal, okay? I'm going to give you clues. By Jean Marzallo, pictures by Jerry Pinkney. Okay, hold on, I gotta not show you the whole thing. Can you climb? Can you leap? Can you stretch? Can you sleep? Can you hiss? Can you purr? What animal do you think that is? Can you pretend to be a cat? Good job. Here's some other friends dressed up as cats. Can you bark? Can you beg? Can you scratch with your leg? Can you fetch? Can you roll? Can you dig in a hole? Can you pretend to be a... That's right, a dog. Can you pretend to be a dog? Good job. Here's some other friends pretending to be a dog. Can you jump? Can you leap? Can you swim while you sleep? Can you nibble and look at a worm on a hook? What animal do you think that is? Yeah, it's a fish. Can you pretend to be a fish? Can you fly? Can you buzz? Are you covered with fuzz? Can you land on my knee? Can you sting like a bee? Can you be a bee? Can you peck? Can you pick at a shell like a chick? Can you scratch? Can you cheep? Can you hop? Can you peep? Can you pretend to be a baby chick? Yeah, good. Can you perch? Can you fly? Can you soar in the sky? Can you chirp? Can you tweet? Can you sing with a beat? Can you pretend to be a bird? Love it. Can you chatter and flee, disappear in a tree? Can you run? Can you twirl? Can you leap like a squirrel? Are you pink as a bud? Can you lie in the mud? Can you root? Can you dig? Can you snort like a pig? Can you snort like a pig? Good job. Can you chew? Can you munch? Can you moo during lunch? Can you drink from a pail? Touch your ear with your tail? Can you pretend to be a cow? Can you snort? Can you neigh? Can you eat grain and hay? Can you open the gate? Can you run with your mate? Can you pretend to be a horse? Good job. Can you balance a ball on your nose and not fall? Can you dive for your meal? Can you bark like a seal? Can you bark like a seal? Beautiful. It's exactly what they sound like. Can you wiggle and glide? Can you slither and slide? Can you head for the lake? Can you swim like a snake? Are you big? Are you brave? Can you sleep in a cave? Can you sniff in the air? Can you roar like a bear? Let me hear you roar like a bear. Good job. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed that book. I'll see you soon.